JD स्कूल ऑफ डिझायन ह्या महाविद्यालयाच्या वेगवेगळ्या विभागाच्या पदव्युत्तर विद्यार्थ्यांचो पहिलोच पदवीदान सुवाळो जालो। ह्या JD स्कूल ऑफ डिझायनात फॅशन डिझायनिंग तसेच इंटिरियर डिझायनिंग ह्या विभागा खाला पदव्युत्तर पदवी प्रदान केली। ह्या पदवीदान सुवाळ्याक दोनूय विभागांतल्यान 30 विद्यार्थ्यांक पदवी दिली। तसेच ह्या संस्थेचे प्राचार्य उमेश नायक हांणी आपल्या उलोवपांतल्यान विद्यार्थ्यांची उर्बा तसेच तांकां बरो फुडार आवडायलो।
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of Nilesh Dilar, Managing Trustee, and the management of JD Institute, on behalf of the faculty and the admin management staff of JD Goa, I congratulate you for successful completion of your courses and getting awarded by us as graduates. And also from the Goa University. Congratulations once again. Graduation is a very strong milestone in everyone's life. We all been through this day and we are very proud of our achievements. It's a difficult year. For past 3 years we have seen all our struggles.